Okay, so today what we're going to do is find the limit as x approaches 1 of f of x. See, that's what we want to know. Question mark there. Okay, the thing to take into account here is that our function f of x is equal to x times x minus 1 over x minus 1. This is very similar to the problem that you looked at, the first problem you looked at in the Khan Academy video. Okay, so the first thing to notice about this guy is what can we and can we not put into the function. Notice that if I put in a 1, right, okay, now I'm going to throw in a 1 here. Remember, x is just a placeholder, so when you put 1 in there, you're replacing the x, all of the x's in the formula here, with a 1. Okay, now think about this, right? 1 times 1 minus 1 over 1 minus 1, that gives me 1 times 0 over 0, which we know is 0 over 0. Boom! Right? Mushroom cloud or something, right? The whole world blows up. Oh my gosh, we divided by 0. Oh no! Alright, you think I'm a weirdo? It's okay. We'll see what we'll do. Alright, so we can't put 1 in there. That's the point, right? Okay. Alright, so what happens? What happens if x is not 1? Okay, let's say x is not 1 now, alright? Let's suppose x is not 1. Alright, what happens? Then, let's see, let's just have a look. Let's say f of 2. Put a little 2 in there. 2 is not 1. What happens? You got 2 times 2 minus 1 over 2 minus 1. So you see what's going on here, right? These guys will always cancel if we don't have a 1 there. Put a 3 in there. What do we have? We have a 3 there. 3, 3. Oh, look, those still cancel. Alright? So basically, this is some silly little function that calculus teachers use to describe the idea of the limit. Alright? The graph of this guy looks just like f of x equals x, one that you've memorized from pre-calc. Right? But at 1, funny things happen. So we put a little hole there. Okay, so now over here on the right-hand side of the board, get used to this video thing. Alright, we look at function values as x gets closer and closer to 1 from below. As x, let's see, 0.9 getting pretty close, 0.99 getting closer, 0.999 getting really close. Okay? So I think this function is basically the function f of x equals x, except for at x equals 1, we have a problem there. Okay? So our function values here are 0.9, 0.99. Take a wild guess. What do you think? Ah, you're right. 0.999. Okay, let's see. Now let's approach from above or bigger than, above, bigger than, below, less than, above, bigger than. Let's approach from above. 1.1, a little bigger, 1.01, a little bit closer there, closer at 1.001. But still, okay, so now the point. As x approaches 1 from above, as x approaches 1 from below, what do we get closer and closer to? I think, Look at that. Closer and closer to what should go there, but we can't put there because it'll make this thing into 0 over 0 bad, right? We know it's a 1. Okay, so the limit as x approaches 1 of f of x is, remember equals is 1. Word.